An interim injunction banning street racing, also known as car cruising, will be in force from 1 minute past midnight on 24th December 2022. It forbids anyone who is a driver, rider, or passenger in or on a motor vehicle to participate between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area, of which some of those present engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. For the purposes of the injunction, stunts are defined as driving manoeuvres often undertaken at such gatherings, including but not limited to burnouts, that's causing a vehicle to destroy its tyres by applying power to the drive wheels while braking so as to remain in place while the wheels revolve with speed. Donuts or donutting, which is causing a vehicle to rotate around a fixed point, normally the front axle, while not moving off, causing noise, smoke and tyre marks to be created. Drifting, which is turning by placing the vehicle in a skid so that most sideways motion is due to the skid, not any significant steering input. Undertaking, that's passing a vehicle on its near side so as to overtake in circumstances not permitted by the Highway Code. The injunction has a power of arrest attached to it, which gives the police the power to arrest anyone who breaches it. Breach of an injunction is a contempt to court, and if proved, the court has the power to impose a sentence of imprisonment, a fine, or an order seizing a person's assets. The Black Country area includes all of the boroughs of Wolverhampton, Dudley, Sandwell and Walsall. There will be a further High Court hearing at Birmingham District Registry, the Civil Justice Centre, Priory Courts, Birmingham, B4 6DW in early February 2023, to consider whether the interim injunction should remain in force or be amended. The exact date will be notified by the High Court. As soon as the councils are aware of the date, they will post it on the street racing sections of their websites and on their social media accounts. At that hearing, the Black Country councils will seek to extend the terms of the injunction so that it forbids people from participating between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area, in which some of those present engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. Forbids people from participating between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a gathering of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. Forbids people from promoting, organising or publicising by any means whatsoever any gathering between the hours of 3 p.m. and 7 a.m. of 2 or more persons within the Black Country area with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. If you wish to take part in that hearing, you should file a formal document called an acknowledgement of service not less than 7 days before the hearing. Details of how to do so are set out in the injunction. If you fail to do so, you will need the permission of the judge to take part. Full details of the interim injunction, including evidence to the High Court and other supporting documentation, including a map showing the Black Country area, can be found on the websites of the 4 claimant councils. That's www.wolverhampton.gov.uk/street-racing-injunction or go.walsall.gov.uk/black_country_car_cruising_injunction, www.sandwell.gov.uk/street-racing, that's one word, www.dudley.gov.uk/car-cruising-injunction. A hard copy of the injunction, the power of arrest, evidence and court documents may be obtained from any of the 4 councils' front desks on request. The claimants can be contacted regarding the injunction by writing to for attention of Black Country Car, Cruise, Legal Services, Wolverhampton City Council, Civic Centre, St Peter's Square, Wolverhampton, WV1 1RG. Alternatively, you can email litigation@wolverhampton.gov.uk or call 01902 556 556. Incidents of street racing should be reported via asbu@wolverhamptonhomes.org.uk or to West Midlands Police on 101. In an emergency, please always dial 999.